Before going further studies, subscribe to my channel Best Readouts not to miss anything. Practice set 5.1. Question 1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Vanita knows following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. The sites are Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lunar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Mathiran, Anandvan. So let us count how many sites she knows. Ajanta first, Mahabaleshwar second, Lunar third, Tadoba fourth, Amboli fifth, Raigad sixth, Mathiran seventh, Anandvan eighth. Total number of sites, that is n of omega, number of elements in the sample space, are 8. Out of 8, she can visit anyone. So the total number of choices or possibilities that she has is 8. So 8 is the answer. Second sub question. Any day of a week is to be selected randomly. Now let us see how many days are there out of which we want to select. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So how many days we have with us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which means out of 7 days in a week, we want to select one. So how many choices or possibilities are with us? So we have 7 choices with us. Hence the answer is 7. Now going to question 3, sub question 3. Select one card from a pack of 52 cards. Let us wipe the previous one. Alright. So, we can select any one card out of 52 cards. Selections are 52. So, possibilities are 52, out of which we are selecting or getting one card. Hence, the answer is 52. Now, let us go to question number 4. Sub question 4. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. Now, how many cards are from 10 to 20? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. These are the numbers on the cards. So, how many cards are these? These are 11 cards. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cards, 11 possibilities, out of which we will get one. So 11 is the answer. In which of the following experiments possibility of expected outcome is more? First, getting 1 on the upper face when a die is thrown. Now this die has 6 faces. And each face is numbered as 1, 2 up to 6. So getting 1 out of 6 has chance 1 by 6 or possibility or expected outcome possibility 1 by 6. Now getting head by tossing a coin. Tossing has 2 sides, head or tail. Coin has 2 sides, head and tail. So getting head is 1 out of 2. So chance of head out of head or tail is 1 by 2. So which number is bigger, 1 by 6 or 1 by 2? Of course 1 by 2 is the bigger number. Hence the question is, which experiment has greater possibility? Getting head by tossing a coin has a greater possibility, or in their words, experiment of getting head by tossing a coin has possibility of expected outcome to be more. Activity 1. Let each student in a class toss a coin once. What will you get? Teacher writes the observations on the board in a table. So, suppose there are capital N number of students in the class, out of which small n number of students get heads. Then n minus n number of students get tails. This second row is for number of students. So, small n number of students get heads and capital N minus small n number of students get tails. For example, if n is 10, total number of students in the class. So suppose 6 students get head, then 4 students will get tails. Now activity 2. Ask each student to toss the same coin twice. What are the possibilities? Again, suppose capital N number of students are there in the class. So if N1 number of students get the outcomes as HH, N2 number of students get as HT, N3 number of students get outcomes as TH, and N4 number of students get outcomes as TT. Then N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus N4 equals capital N. Total number of students will be N. Sum of all possibilities will be capital N. Activity 3. Let us wipe the earlier one so that everything will be clear to see. Alright. Activity 3. Now throw a die once. What are the different possibilities of getting dots on the upper face? The possibilities are either you will get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 on the top. Each of these is a possible result of throwing a die. They have shown the same thing using these diagrams. Now in this table, we are given random experiments, then their corresponding sample spaces and number of sample points in S. In the first one coin is tossed. So what are the possibilities, outcomes that you get? You can either get head or tail. There are two possibilities. So sample space S has elements or points, sample points as head, comma, tail, written in the curly bracket. Now there it has to be a curly bracket. So number of points in omega is written as n of S, small n in the bracket, capital S, that equals 2 because number of sample points are 2, H and T. Second one, 2 coins are tossed. So what are the possibilities of getting on the top of the 2 coins? Either you can get head on the first coin and head on the second, head on the first coin, tail on the second, tail on the first coin, head on the second, or tail and tail on both the coins, both times. It is tossing 2 coins once or 1 coin tossed 2 times if you have a single coin. So number of points are 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, n of S, number of sample points in the sample space, is 4. Now third one, 3 coins are tossed. So what are the possibilities of getting head, tail on the 3 coins? First coin head, second coin head, third coin head, and so on. So HHT, HTH, THH, HTT means getting head on the first coin, tail and tail on the second and third coins, then THT, TTH, TTT. So how many are these sample points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hence, n of S, number of sample points in the sample space omega or S. Now later on you will denote it by omega. Just now you are calling it as capital S. It is 8. Next, a die is thrown. So the number that you get on the top is the outcome when you roll a die or throw a die once. So the sample space S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of S is 6. 6 possibilities. Now next, fifth one, 2 dice are thrown. So what are the possibilities? The sample space. On the first die you will get 1. On the second one, 1 on the top. On the first one, 1. On the second one on the top, 2. And so on. So you will get 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. First die shows 2 on the top, second one shows 1, and so on. 2, 2, 2, 3 up to 2, 6. Now first dice is showing 3 on the top, and second one is showing 1 on the top. So 3, 1, 3, 2, and so on up to 3, 6, and so on. What are the possibilities that you get? 4, 1, 4, 2 up to 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 up to 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2 up to 6, 6. So number of sample points, that is number of elements or sample points, N of S is 36. Now sixth one, a card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers 1 to 25. So what are the possibilities of getting what denomination that you will get? Either you will get 1 on the card that you selected, because a card is selected, means you are selecting only one card, or you will get 2 in your hands, or 3 or 4 up to you can get the number 25 on the card. So sample space S is in the curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 25. So N of S, number of sample points in the sample space, is 25. Seventh one, a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Now there are 4 suits and 13 denominations each in the pack of 52 playing cards. What are the suits? Diamond, spade, heart and club. And the denominations are ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen and king. Jack, queen and king are called as face cards. You'll get the cards from ace to king, all in between. In the hearts even, ace, 2, 3 and so on up to king. Or you can get from the club ace, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to king as the card. You are drawing a card. So from 52 cards you can get any one of these. So these are 52 outcomes possible. Hence, the number of points, sample points in the sample space S is given by N of S equal to 52. Practice set 5.2. First question. For each of the following experiments, write sample space S and number of sample points N of S. The first sub question is, one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. So, sample space S is the set of all possible outcomes. We have one coin which can show head or tail, and we have a die which can show the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 on the top. So the sample space S will be. Now here, while writing the sample space, you can write either head or tail first and then the number what you can get, or you can write the number first and then head or tail. Here I am writing whether you are getting head or tail first and then the number. So you can get head on the coin and 1 on the die, or head and 2, or head and 3, or head and 4, or head and 5, or head and 6, or now up to 6 only you can get the number on the die. Now second option is, in place of head you can get tail. So with tail you can get 1 on the die. With tail you can get 2 on the die. T3, that is getting tail and number 3 on the die. Next option is T4, T5, and the last option what you can get is getting tail on coin and 6 on die. So this is the sample space for the first question. Now number of sample points here in S are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hence n of S, that is number of sample points in the sample space S, is 12. Now the second sub question is, 2-digit numbers are formed using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. So now what are the numbers that can get formed becomes the sample space S for us. Again, to revise, S sample space is set of all possible outcomes or set of all 2-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 2, 3 and 5. If we will select the first 2 digits 2 and 3, we can write the numbers or form the numbers 23 and 32. If we will select the numbers 2 and 5, then we can make the numbers or write the numbers 25 and 52. Lastly, if we will select the digits 3 and 5, we can write the numbers as 35 and 53. Note that these are all distinct numbers, 23, 32 up to 53. Set of all possible distinct numbers that can be formed. So that gives us sample space S. Now how many outcomes are there in this sample space, also known as sample points in S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of sample points in S, sample space S, are given by 6. Question 2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disk. Find out on which color it may stop. Now here is the disk shown here. Now this arrow may stop at red or orange or yellow or blue or green or purple. So set of all possibilities known as sample space S is given by, now I am writing the colors by just first symbol. You can write the full name, no problem. R, red or orange or yellow or blue or green or purple. These are the colors that you can get. So this is sample space S. Now number of sample points in S are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n of S equals 6. Question 3. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. See the given page of the calendar. So here we have calendar for March 2019. We are interested in the date which is multiple of 5. So let us circle here the dates which are multiple of 5. 5 itself, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So this is our sample space S. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So these numbers are multiple of 5. These are all dates in the given month of March. So how many points n of s are there in this sample space? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence n of s equals 6. Question 4. Form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys B1 B2 and 2 girls G1 G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. First, A. Committee of 2 boys. 2 boys means B1 B2. This is the committee. B. Committee of 2 girls. Girls are G1 G2. So this is the committee. C. Committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. Boy 1, G1, girl 1, so G1, B1, G1. Next option, with first boy, second girl, B1, G2. With second boy, first girl, B2, G1. And lastly, second boy and second girl, B2, G2. Hence, sample space. The sample space may have 2 boys, 2 girls, or 1 boy and 1 girl. So, it is denoted by capital S. It will be B1, B2 or G1, G2 or B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1 and B2, G2. This is the sample space. How many sample points do we see in sample space S? N of S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So N of S equals 6. Friends, thank you for watching the channel Best Readouts.